This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Joe Terrell. Rare opportunity for a single-family home in the Villages at Powhatan. This home is in a low-maintenance community and has 2,260 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The main level offers a primary bedroom with large ensuite bath. There is a spare bedroom with full bath adjacent. A formal dining room with hardwood floors flows to the kitchen with a large dining area. There is a family room with vaulted ceiling, cozy gas fireplace. A spacious screen porch is adjacent to the family room. The second floor has great living space with loft, bedroom, and full bath. There is a floored walk-in attic. The HVAC consists of 2 zones, both of which have been updated. Back downstairs, there is a large, 2-car garage. As part of Powhatan Secondary, the neighborhood offers amenities including pool, clubhouse, walking trails, and pond. There are numerous shopping opportunities within walking distance. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Terrell at 757-220-9500.